Hi, everyone. Welcome to May for your new week of online learning. So, I just wanted to talk about what is up for science this week. So, this continues on from what you had assigned last week, where you are asked to delve more deeply into an element of the periodic table. So, at this point, your scavenger hunt should be done of finding the elements around your house and neighborhood. And then I asked you to look more deeply at a particular element of your choice. And then this table is for you to delve and find that information. So you're looking at some basic facts, some interesting facts, and some physical and chemical properties of that element. So this table is due for this Wednesday, and it was assigned previously. So it continues on this week. And this table will be used for the next component of your element research. So this particular table is already posted. I just wanted to reference that again so you knew what I was talking about when I get to the second part. So following your table, the week after that, so I'm just assigning it early enough to give you enough time to do a good job with it, is you have your element periodic table poster. And I have this that's due for Friday, May 15th. And so this is a mini poster, and it's meant to be on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Sorry, make sure my phone's off. Uh, and that 8.5 by 11 piece of paper uh, ideally would just be a computer paper. And so you can do it two different ways. You can do it old school, where you're creating that poster with paper and colored pencils and markers, or you can do it more high tech, where you're making it on the computer. Either one are fine. You do what's more comfortable for you. And the post requirements is that that information from this table that you completed is in your poster. Okay. And you can create it on a physical piece of paper and then scan it to me. That's preferred because the quality is just better. But if you don't have access to a scanner, then you can take a good quality picture of it and just make sure it's clear and then email it to me. Or if at all possible, send it through Google Classroom. I'll accept it both ways. And so the information on this table goes on your mini poster. So the mini poster is meant to be a page, and I have an example here that was done by a student last year to give you an example of it. I'm encouraging you to get creative with this. Make sure it's school appropriate, but definitely it doesn't have to be the cookie cutter. Here's the information. You can present it in a creative way. So that could be through a comic or a rap or I don't want to give you the answers. I'll leave it a bit open ended for you guys to figure it out. But this particular student did a rap, and I thought that they did a great job. They want to remain anonymous, but I got their permission to share this with you. And so they did the element radon. They filled out the table and had all that information, and then they turned it into a rap. So I'm definitely not a rapper, but I can try my best. And just to give you a snapshot of it, so it's like, "What's up, everybody? My name is Radon. I could be everywhere, even in your front lawn. It's really hard to find my texture, almost as hard as finding treasure. That's right, my guy. You can't see me. When it comes to research, that's kind of sucky. My melting point is 9.73 kilograms per meters cubed. I found that one out from YouTube. Minus 71 degrees is my melting point. I know this because of a PowerPoint. My rap skills are fire. This is a breeze. My boiling point is minus 61 degrees. Here's a fact I will inform: the state of gas is my norm. Fast part's coming, and then it goes on. I won't subject you anymore to my rap skills. But I thought this was really clever, a great use of the information, and can give you guys an idea of an example of a starting point of where you can go with this. So, just to recap and clarify, you have your information that you have to find first in order to complete the poster. And so that's for this Wednesday. And then you have the actual mini poster. So, not a big full fledged poster, because that's going to be ridiculous to send in. A mini poster. So, like an 8.5 by 11 standard piece of paper. So, that's like just a regular size paper. And then that can be submitted online, or it could be done with a picture if necessary. Okay. And then that one is for the following Friday, Friday, May 15th. Okay. So I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and I'm going to stop the video there. And I realized I'm doing you a disservice because I forgot to show you my animals. I'm sorry, I'm breaking the tradition. So we can end it by staring at my cat sleeping in the windowsill. There he is. Okay, bye. All right, stop recording.